Hello everyone, in this video, you will see how to fix Anydesk not connecting to the network tutorial. Ensure that your device has a stable and active internet connection. You can test this by opening a web browser and visiting a website. Close Anydesk completely and restart the application. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Ensure you are using the latest version of Anydesk. Check for updates in the Anydesk application or download the latest version from the official Anydesk website. Make sure that Anydesk is allowed through your firewall and antivirus software. Adjust the settings to allow Anydesk to establish network connections. If you are experiencing network issues, try restarting your modem, router, and any other network devices. This can refresh the network connection and resolve connectivity problems. If you are using a proxy server, ensure that Anydesk is configured to work with the proxy settings correctly. Verify proxy settings in Anydesk and make adjustments if needed. Double-check the Anydesk ID and password you are using to connect. Ensure they are entered correctly without any typos or errors. If you are trying to connect to a remote device, make sure that the remote device is powered on or connected to the internet and running Anydesk. If possible, try connecting from a different network to see if the issue persists. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Anydesk support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your setup and the steps you have already taken to troubleshoot the problem. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.